welcome back to my fucking channel. Alright, so y'all, today I'm gonna do a mukbang for y'all because I'm gonna go get Mr. and Mrs. Krabs. Yes, I know I am a fucking fat ass. Like, oh my god, there's a lady right there. I didn't even see her. Okay, yeah, so I'm finna go to Mrs. and Mr. Krabs to get some fucking crabs. I'm gonna do a mukbang for y'all. Yeah, I just got paid for my last job, so fuck them. I got fired from them. Who gives a fuck? Yeah, so that's where I'm going. Y'all hear that? Bitch, well, you know, like something wrong with your car and you don't want to hear that shit, bitch, you just roll your window up and blast that fucking music. The fuck? Oh, I thought this was somebody's mama. Bitch, y'all heard that? No. Now you did a little extra now. That fucking speed hump. Anyway, yeah, so yeah, I'm going to Mr. and Mrs. Krabs to get some crabs, y'all. Okay, so I'm ordering. They're so fucking expensive. Like, bitch. Okay, so the lady said, okay, so I wanted, cause I always get the shrimp with no head and a half pound of shrimp with no head and half a pound of sausage with the potatoes. Bitch, they fucking potatoes fucking eat everything. You be alright. Bitch, them the fucking best potatoes, bitch. Like, what the fuck? Yes, they got some of the best potatoes. Yeah, so I get that. I add 3 more in there. And it's going to cost more anyways. So, oh my God. Yeah, so that's why I ordered. And I told her, can she do a lobster with it? But it don't come with the sausage and the shrimp. This bitch talking about, oh, that would be 40. Bitch, no. I want the 3403. My bill always be 3403. So, but it was 3703 or something, or 3709 or something like that, because I added the 3 potatoes. So it's like, oh bitch, you want to spend more money, but bitch, I got paid. Stop. But I'm saving my money since I don't got a job right now. But I am doing Postmates and DoorDash. Y'all be thinking, oh, yeah, no, bitch. I'm telling y'all, in a week on DoorDash, I at least make $400. Easy. But the only thing is you just gotta have gas. That's really it. Other than that, bitch, you straight. Like, and I do Postmates, so that's extra money in my pocket. Like, so I'm not broke, but I'm a little piece. I'm not ashamed to say I'm not working or anything. Like, I mean, it's bitches out here that's not working and don't have nothing going for themselves. I'm up here talking to y'all because I want to start my YouTube channel. And yeah, y'all see my mustache? Oh, I get cute. Yo, when I get cute, I don't want to hear a fuck thing, baby. Oh, I was thinking about getting deep wave and dying it like a where your nigga at? Oh, he in my bed. What's up? Like, that's gonna be the mood when I get my hair done. That's gonna be the mood. I hate waiting right here because this fucking light be so fucking long. Y'all did a vlog the other day. I ain't really like it. Like, it was on my nose piercings. I mean, it's going down a little bit, as y'all can see. It's going down a little bit. I've been putting salt in it. Salt. I don't have salt on it and shit. So it's getting somewhere. Is that my purse? Oh, yep. My stealing purse. So let me stop. I don't steal YouTube. Don't even fucking do me like that. I don't steal because who the fuck be stealing? Who the fuck be stealing? Should I do a mukbang in my car? Because I'm a big bitch. Like, I'm a big bitch. I like to eat. No, I'm going to have to get 1 potato in, though. Because that fucking potato so fucking good. I be watching this lady on YouTube. Her name Eat with Kim. And she be doing a lot of seafood mukbangs. She's like an Asian, I think she's Vietnamese. Damn, bitch. Like, look at this shit. Like, what the fuck? Oh, you have to wait for this fucking traffic. What the fuck going on? What the fuck on? Yeah. Y'all, so I'm just excited. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. Y'all hit y'all later up when I'm like almost there. So, y'all, this fucking big ass truck. I don't know if y'all can. Bitch, oh my god, I wish I could flip this fucking camera over. Bitch, this big ass truck almost fucking hit me. Like, I can't even get past the fucking you know, the truck.
Is this bitch for real, 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 for real?
His ass wanna pull out, bitch. This me. His car like I can't even explain it. Oh shit, I'm gonna take them. Yeah, I'm gonna get in the other lane. Cause y'all on that bum shit. Anyway, yeah, like bitch. The fuck, you got me fucked up. You stupid dumb bitch. Yeah, so I'll hit y'all back up later. Hey y'all, I'm back. Okay, so I applied to this job on Indeed, but I didn't fucking know it was you walking up to people door and shit and asking them do they want to do this. Bitch, I'm not doing that. I don't care. That shit, I mean, yeah, it's a job opportunity, but I'm not doing that. Like, walking up to people door, what? If I don't get this job tomorrow that I applied for, then I might do it. But for right now, bitch, I am not doing that. And then you get $500 a week. Like, no. But anyway, y'all, I'm at Mr. and Mrs. Crab. So I'm gonna go get my food that I ordered. I'm gonna park my car. Y'all think I should eat here like a big bitch or what? Oh, to go. That's a to go parking. But I don't want them to see my car like, bitch, this broke down ass shit, hoe. Bitch, what the fuck? Let me stop. I'm finna go. I'm gonna park right there, cause bitch, I don't give a fuck about them. The fuck, bitch? Look at my car, but bitch, I'm driving and I got money, hoe. Period. My bitch is looking at me like. Like, what the fuck? They just text me, talk like, you're all set to go. Bitch, I'm not going to that. Bitch, no. Okay, y'all, so I'm going inside. What? Is there a problem? Like, y'all bitches just staring. Can I have a pickup? I am such a big bitch. Bitch, I was craving this the whole fucking day. Yeah, when I was walking in here, some bitches was like, get into the fucking keloid. Like, what the fuck is that? Up, but, like, damn, bitch. And then they were just looking at me. Like, bitch, can y'all stop? Thanks. Get a life, hoe. Stop staring at a real cute bitch. The fuck? Alright, y'all, so my fat ass. I gotta just try a potato for the one time. I'm telling y'all, it's like, bitch, you have to try it. Like, oh, bitch, what if my car didn't start? Yeah. Oh my god, I got a story time about that. Okay, so I was at this nigga house getting dick, right? And we be having sex in the car. Yes, I know. Some petty ass childish shit, but I like car sex. It's good. But anyways, we doing that or whatever, and then I had my lights on and my air conditioning and shit on, so I knew my battery was gonna fuck up, right? So I knew it was gonna fuck up. Bitch, tell me why when I was ready to go and shit, my car would not start. Do y'all hear that ghetto ass shit? Oh my fucking god. You know what? I'm finna go buy something. They're like, damn bitch, what's that popping? Me. Oh my god, bitch, I need to stop. Alright, I'm finna go park somewhere over here so I can try potato. Okay, let me just go over here. Oh, watch it drip drip. Oh, bitch, I thought it was hibachi. Okay, wait. I'm gonna go over here because nobody can't really see me. Y'all hear that ghetto ass shit, bro? I just need. All right. All right. So how we gonna do this? So I don't know how to fucking do it. Like, okay, y'all just gonna have to see me like that because I don't know how to. Yo. This beautiful ass shit. Bitch, I'm finna fuck this shit up. Oh my god. Oh wait. Okay. Oh, like that. Stay up. I'm finna try potato. Y'all. They potato. You gotta dip it in the sauce for it to be like swinging. If you don't dip it in there, then it's not gonna be swinging to you. To you. Y'all know that meme. I meant. Ooh, this shit hot. Okay, we can try a sausage. This, I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. Oh my god, potato. Let's see this, alright. It's over. It is over. Bitch, do you... It's over, ho. This fucking... Bruh. Oh my god. Hold on 1 second. Y'all. This fucking potato slide. Ooh, get into it. Get into it. Oh my god. That's lit. Okay, and the shrimp. We can do the shrimp for the one. Oh, they ain't put enough sauce in here. Hold up, bitch. I had to put my phone down for this. Oh my god. That shrimp was so fucking good. And I'm just have 2 more sausages, okay? Alright. And then I got my crab leg in a half pound. But I'm telling y'all, them potatoes fucking slide, bro. Alright, I'm gonna hit y'all later. Hey y'all. Alright, I just made it home. I had went to the Mr. and Mrs. Krabs in Brandon. Cause that's the only closest one. I mean, they building 2 more, but it'll be one on Gandy, one on Gandy, and one on Fowl. The one on Fowl is finna be so ghetto, cause they already just fought at the Brandon one. Let me tell you, my city is so fucking ghetto. Tampa's so fucking ghetto, but it's my city, and I love it. Period. Period. Alright, so I'm finna fuck up these crabs. Let me just shake the bag, cause bitch, I want all the flavor. All the flavor, all the bitch, I ain't gonna cut you over like yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna dig in. Alright. And I got me a bowl. You know, in case I wanna, throw my shit in there. I feel like B loves. Okay, what should I start with first? Ooh, the salt and pepper for the eggs. Hold on. Anyways, yes, okay, got the salt and pepper. Now we'll start off with the sausage. Woo! I just love seafood. I think I'm gonna be a I don't know how to say that word. I don't know, but it's like when you eat only seafood. That's what I'm gonna do. See if I can drop some weight and then work out. But I'm not gonna be ordering from Mr. Krabs and shit all the time. I'm gonna just make my own shit. Oh my god. Potato. Potato for the culture. For the culture. Bitch. You gotta dip it in the sauce. Oh my god. Damn. I swear to y'all, I will only eat potatoes with the sauce in it. I swear. That'd be the best part of the seafood. Alright. We're gonna get into this egg. So we put the salt. Then we're gonna put the pepper on it. Can you see this egg? Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, how do you say it? Slide. I don't eat this part. The yolk, the little green part, I don't eat that. But thank you though. Do the slide. I mean, it's okay, but I can't eat that. But I just ate some of it right now. All right, what else? Y'all, I have a gut, but I can only eat so much. I think I can dog this. But no, this is good. Crap. Oh my god. I gotta go pick up my cousin. Yeah, so I gotta go get my cousin around a certain time, but I'm getting him at 5. Cause he go to the Boys and Girls Club. And, bitch, I don't got time for that. I'm smacking this shit, and I hate when people smack. But I know it's a part of the seafood. Dang.
Just to let you guys know, I'll chew the crab leg if I can't get the meat out.
And if I can't get my meat out, I chew it.
I literally just said that.
Woo. My life's been going great. But not so great. But it's getting there. I think I'm gonna take a sip of water. I'm a little bit parched. But yeah, it's been okay. It hasn't been the best, but it's been good. Can't complain, I'm still alive. What's this brown shit? Hold up. That like a bad shrimp. What's going on now? And that tastes a little bit like a chemical. It's good. Something turned into a crab. I think eating this. That tasted like, I don't know, like a hair product. That thing. Woo! Woo, that was hot. Yeah, I always get spicy. The hot shit, cause
Speak, bitch. Damn. Speak.
Cause all that mild shit, I like everything hot. Like, when I become bigger on YouTube, once y'all see like how funny I am, and my like build my platform up, y'all gonna love me. Woo! This shrimp was good. Oh, shrimp, that's sausage. Y'all know the Be Love lady? She be like eating, like, I watch her so I can go to sleep sometimes. But her shit really so good. She can eat crab, boy, I tell you. And the lady Eat with Kim, when I tell you she can eat crab too. She love crawfish though. Oh no. Ooh, what was that? Get that shit off. Y'all. Yeah. I feel like my city shut shit down when it comes to back to school and grad bag, all that cute shit. Like these seniors, class of 2020, just shut shit down yesterday. That was so freaking cute. It was really cute. I was like, hey, get it? Like, bitch, I need a do-over. Because, bitch, when I tell you, saying, yeah, I was thorough. Let me tell you what I had on. Oh, that's damn nice, though. I had a fucking, this was my first day of school outfit. These, like, let me tell you what these girls had on yesterday. These girls had on heels, Chanel, Versace, bitch, cute shit. Not barrettes. Is it called barrettes? Like the little French hats. They had on like skirts. I'm like, y'all is slaying, bitch. I had on a fucking y'all watch dang, the little with the dog and the little peanut. I forgot what it's called, but hold up. They gave me a fat, juicy one. Fuck. Hold up. Let me get back to the story. So good. Anyways. Okay, so basically I had on, what is that show called? It's like the little white and black dog. It's like an old cartoon show. And it had a little peanut. Charlie something. Charlie or something. I don't know. Yeah. I had on that and it was a white shirt with yellow, a yellow trim around it. Like a yellow border. Oh my God. Fuck it. And I had on some ripped jeans with some white and black Adidas. Bitch, when I tell you, bitch, I need a do-over now. They should have had a fucking 15th grade, bitch. Like, damn. Bitch, I'll shut all these hoes down. A 15th grade. Who? Shut them hoes down. Bitch, cute shit. Period. I don't know what I would have won the first day. To be honest with you. Oh, that sausage tastes like a breakfast. I ain't like that one. It tastes a little breakfasty. But yeah, it was so cute. On their first day. My sister, she just started 10th grade. She go to Jefferson, the school I graduated from. She was at Hillsborough at first, but I guess she didn't like the school. Now she want to be dragon, but she was just a bulldog. This gonna take some time to edit. Well, I might just let y'all watch it. Y'all heard that gulp down my throat? Look, watch. I don't know if y'all heard that. Not that next door, but me gulping. All right. Is that my aunt? This job place called me. I think I explained that earlier on. They called me. Bitch, they talking about walking up to people though. Bye. And then you get $500 a week. No, baby. Nuh-uh. Not for this girl. I mean, hey, a job is a job. You get it how you live. But me, no. Let me tell you, okay, it's this place. If you're from Tampa, Florida, you know this call center called Converges. Everybody in their damn mama work there. When I tell you, bitch, everybody in their damn mama. Everybody in their damn mama. Work at that bitch. I got fired from my job 2 weeks ago. Oh, my address. Oh, 2 weeks ago. My friend sent me, not an application, but like a post that they made on Facebook saying, oh, Convergence need people, da-da-da. They're hiring people this certain date or whatever. Okay, I was like, okay. So I went the next week and I go there. You know, everybody get hired there, right? So I'm like, okay, bitch, I got this in the bag. I did my interview. I was appropriate, what I had on. And bitch, it was raining that fucking day I went. It was raining that day that I went up there. And I got caught in the rain. I came soaking wet, like, bitch, I was like soaked. Right? Did my interview, da-da-da. She was like, okay, I'll let you know if we hire you, and I'm gonna send this to some people, I don't know, organize some shit. Bitch, I go. They sent me an email when I left. Talk about thank you for choosing and working or coming for whatever for Concentrics. It's called Concentrics now. Concentrics, but based on your interview, something we're looking for someone who's pursuing. Bitch, what? Hold on, how I ain't get the job at Concentrics? Like, everybody and their mama work here. How I ain't get the job? How? Here's how they look. How I ain't get the job? Please explain to me. How I ain't get the damn job? And y'all let the ghettoest bitches work up here. I honestly feel like you have to be ghetto as fuck to work there. Cause ain't no fucking way. How I ain't get the job? My interview went great. If I got the job at Wipro, like that high classified ass job, I got the job there. How I ain't get the job at whatchamacallit? Concentrics doing everybody in their damn mama. Like when I tell y'all everybody work there, like right after high school, bitches go there. And you telling me I can't work there? That means that that job is not worth my time, and I'm not worth that job. And fuck, I didn't get a job at Concentrics. Like, that shit blew me. Like, you probably have to be ghetto as fuck to work there. And bitch, I am not one. And I hope they see this. Bitch, fuck y'all job and y'all company. That weak ass shit. What time is it? Shit. It's probably around 4 something. I told I get that boy at 5. Yeah, like, bitch, how I ain't get the job? Why you still ain't touch that egg right there? Like, that shit just blew me. Woo! Child. I don't know, but I need to finish this egg. Oh, they gave me a corn. Sad to say, I don't eat corn. Like, I don't eat corn on the cob. But if it's like corn mixed with mashed potatoes and shit, I eat that. Not mashed potatoes, like string beans and shit, but rice, I eat that. But this girl don't eat corn on the cob. On this my little cousin's birthday. The one I gotta pick up is his birthday today. Yeah. Hey, it was good. I got a whole body. Then I got a potato, shrimp, almost like corn. I don't eat that shit. I mean, I'm full, but technically not. I'm really not. You know how you feel, but you're not. That's how I feel. But y'all, I'm so sorry, y'all. What else? That fucking weak ass, y'all. Like, auto. It's an auto fucking crap. If people not worth your time, stop talking to them. I had to realize that. Ooh! Whoa, pop came right on out. That's what I'm fucking talking about. That was good. Oh wait, bitch, still me in. But like I was saying, cut them off. Cause they're not worth your time. You don't need them. Like, honestly, you don't. If somebody is willing to make time for you, they will do it. Cause they care about you and they love you. And they'll check up on you every day to make sure you're straight, da-da-da. And I'm learning to do that too also as well. Checking up on my friends to make sure I'm still here. Hey, yo, I'm still here. I still fuck with you. Da-da-da-da, you know, like a real friend should. It's not even friends. It's like relationship-wise too. If you fucking with me and we both fucking with each other, oh, this is right. If you fucking with me and we fucking with each other, oh, let me do a thumbnail. Yeah. If you talk about you love me, you do anything for me, not anything for me, but like you want to be with me and shit, act like it. Show it that you want to be with me, even if we talking. Show that you want to be with me. You feel me? Like all that, oh, fuck me when you feel like it shit is out, bitch. No. Not for me and a dumb bitch now. No dick in the world. Can it, like, real shit. I'm just done with shit. He done too. The boy I'm talking about, I love this boy. Like, I do. I still have love for him. If he watch this, I still have love for you. Don't ever forget that. But it's like, you're not showing me that you want to be with me. You're not putting in the effort like I put in the effort. I've been stopped trying. Like, when I tell y'all, don't trust this boy. I did not, like, once he did something to me when we first started talking, once he did something, that's when I completely just stopped trusting him. You wouldn't do that anymore. I mean, it was like early, when was this? January, February, March? I forgot. When was this? Like, the girl, oh my God, it was just so much, but I will not be put through that again. No. Cause like, what the fuck? If you love me like you said, you wouldn't try to hurt me. I've been talking to him since December. Like, almost the end of December. And we met up on New Year's. It was supposed to be a fuck buddy thing. It really was. Then I caught feelings. I think it was the 6th. I don't know. But I told him I love him in February. So I think I love you. I don't think it was in January. I caught feelings so quick. I told him I loved him. Like, cause we used to talk every fucking day. Like, every day. Then my trust issues and shit got involved. So my feelings got involved. Like, I made him block the girl that wanted to have sex with him. Like, he was gonna have sex with this girl. It's just so much going on. Like, I couldn't, no. And I did some fucked up shit too while in the relationship. But this was like last month that I started doing some shit like this. So he can't really say, like, cause I don't trust, like, I love this, but I don't trust him. And I should never put myself in that predicament. If I knew I didn't trust him, why would I go back, you know? It was a dumb choice to me. don't care, honestly. But you know he is. I still love him. I got love for him, but I cannot be there for him. I can't. No, like, even if he asks, can he have sex? Can we have sex? I'm not gonna do it. Like, I used to not beg, but ask, can I have sex with him? Like, he don't do none of that. Like, if you really fuck me, really want to be with me, you should be like, oh, Michaela, we gonna let me fuck. Like, I want to fuck you so bad. Like, da da da. And I feel like I'm not the only person he fucking. And I sucked his dick. But I didn't lose my second dick virginity to him. Y'all, I just started sucking dick at 19. And I did it with this other boy I knew from, since middle school. I sucked his dick. And, I didn't really do all that. But with the boy that I was fucking like now or whatever, I sucked his dick. Like, good. Like, this time I tried to do my best. But yeah, off that situation, yeah, so I'm finished. I'm not finished, I still got more left over, but I'm done. I just really love y'all and thank you for watching me. My name is Michaela Janae Anderson, and that's my name. All right, y'all, you have a nice day. Stay blessed, stay black, and love yourself. Peace, bitches.